Okay, this is a live broadcast, yes, and we are going to make it snappy, very, very snappy. So once you come across this, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Very, very important that you do so. Please like the video, like the video, like the video. So it's going to be a quick update. Like I told you, a very quick update. Please, if you come across it, like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. I don't want to waste much time because I need to rest. Today has been a very busy day for me. All right, there's this. Should I say a rumor? I don't know, but let's go through it because people are using Mazda Modicano. You see, this issue of Mazda Modicano, say Mazda did not say, is getting too much. I'm telling you, and it's not good at all. A lot of people are now claiming to hear from Mazda Modicano. Modicano said this, said that, and that, and that, and that. Also blessed, my brother. I see you. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me. And please, if you come across this live broadcast, make sure you share it and make sure you like it. You are really, really trying for your for your time. Yes, so I'm trying to manage my time, my brother. Thank you for noticing that. Also blessed. It's not easy. It's not easy. I have to because you can see the time that we are streaming here. Normally, it's something that we should have done by now, but because of circumstances, because of one or two things, we are late here. All right, and my target is actually to stream another live on our main platform after this, but man, I need to rest too. I have to rest. Maybe I don't know. Today is fundraising. Today is Saturday, and we also need to also come back for that as well. But a quick one. Many of you know what happened, between PM and Madam Azuka. Many of you know that it's not secret. Many of us know that. And PM did not sack Madam Azuka. Rather, Madam Azuka is the one that resigned. She is the one that tried to bring it out and to talk first. So it is understandable. But this idea of I spoke with Master Kano spoke with me. He said this, I said that I don't like it. I'm not gonna lie to you. So somebody sent this to me. Credit to you, my brother. And this happened to be, a press release from DPM.Ongozarabeze. It's a press release. The Biafran Nigerian agent using Oyedun Namodekano's name for fake peace talk must stop. Listen to these two voice messages. Biafran, some of these criminals whose names were mentioned in these voice messages were sacked by PM. Okay, and the remaining ones were fired by the DPM and the USBG cabinet due to their insubordination, sabotage, and movement, one leg in Nigeria, another one in freedom. So I said, with the Nigerian with Nigerian government, do allegiance, okay, do allegiance, Queen and that's the reason why they are being sacked. Please disregard any message coming from these criminals, agent of Christopher Musa, and the legitimized politicians who have opened the fraudulent WhatsApp platform to deceive unsuspected Biafrans. Keep it up, great Biafrans. Ọkụ ha ayugo. Anyị ji komita na eyo ha everywhere, including those that have shown video claiming they are ESN members. Oyendo can never counter Simon Ekpa's order as it relates to the sacking of Madam Azuka. Okay? Nigerian agents and affiliated groups using the name of Namode Kano to implicate him should stop. The only authorized defense for the 80 million Biafrans at this time is the USB envisioned elite led by General Rabbi. Nothing else exists. Biafrans, this criminal Mazi Oloma that dropped these voice messages, and his fellow criminals mentioned in this voice notes are tools or are notes. They are tools of Nigerian state. They never wanted or work for USB declaration. Neither PM nor DPM work with these individuals towards our freedom. Treat them as enemy that they are, DPM. Then there's a short video, she mentioned about the voice message, right? And this is voice message is what we're going to play. I told you this could be one of the most shortest live broadcast that I ever have. And the reason why I decided to come live because of the nature. Some of you don't know what we are battling on this second platform. So if you notice, I stopped uploading here for some time. There's a reason for that. So, but anyway, nevertheless, let's continue. Give this a thumbs up, like the video. Here it is. Because let me increase the volume so that you'll be hearing that. Wow.
You are not the one that will tell me that the Biafra has been declared. I am the one that will tell you because you are not in. You are not in. You only seen it seen it on social media. You don't know when it was declared. We are the people.
I agree to War Bright.
We are the people that make it to be happen. You understand? We worked harder 90% with the Prime Minister before the Prime Minister went in. We work 90%. Do you know what I mean by 90%? When somebody say that I am with this person, I am working with him for 90%. This is I work 90% with the Prime Minister before he went in. So you are not the one that will tell me. You don't know even me. You don't know even me. Some of us in this platform, you don't know them. We work harder with the Prime Minister than before you. So what we are saying is this: we are working with Onyenduma and Nnamdi Kanu. I am not working with any other person. You understand me? What I am working, who I am working with now is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And every command and every order that I take now comes from him. He's the one that I heard his voice before joining the struggle. So Oyedo has given order to make peace. If Ogenkere, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, and someone, remember that there are so many groups, so many movements that fighting for Biafra. Remember that even myself, BM, all these people, these people are still fighting for Biafra. If we get Biafra today, will you send them off? Or will you say that they did not participate? All of them contributed a lot. So that's the reason why. Remember that 2017, when Oyendo came out from Kochi, prison. Oyendo invited all the whole group to his compound. I was there. And he has a meeting with them for peace, that everybody should work together. And that this is Oyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and this is what we are. We are with Oyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This platform is the platform of Oyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That whatever you heard from this platform comes from Oyendo straightly. So this is it. Thank you very much. We are not against anybody. We are not against GM. We are not against Prime Minister. We are not against whoever. What we know is that whoever that need peace, let that person come. We are working for peace because our Chikotono, so thank you very much for understanding us.
You heard him right. He's very active in US in Biafra movement, not as a principal officer, because DPM actually debunked it in the write-up. When I read it, I believe you must have captured that part. So, but he's somehow now trying to, I understand everything. Oh, I know this, but I am from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. How sure are we that you talk to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? This thing is something that people are, using it to enrich themselves. Do you know that before the formation of this new DOS now, Mazi Kanu made an attempt of forming 100 men, right? That 100 men is now what metaphors now to the fourth DOS, right? Administrative group. But Mazakwa and some group are still shouting 100. They were shouting 100 men before the formation of another DOS. They have been talking about 100 men, 800 men. Some of them started raising money for 100 men. Unauthorized name. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot just pronounce something like that and without giving a clear definition. But whichever way you want to believe is up to you. But the truth remains that this is what it is, and that is how it should be. Hear this one also. I'm trying to play another audio.
Yes, my brother, what?
I imagine.
Yes, my brother, what? Listen to it very well. I said that we told Onyendo concerning the security that we organized after the beast in United States destroyed the schools, boys. Then we bring them together and organize them together. And with in some other states, which I mentioned, Warri, Kwaibo, Abakaliki, Seka, and Imo State. Yes, so Onyendo told us that all these things is good. That's the area he said that we go and bring them together. Bring them together in one.
That doesn't sound like Onyendo message.
That is where he's. But remember that we complained to him that enemy is even Butozo and some of the commanders are complaining bitterly concerning enemy. Although he persists that every command must always still come from enemy. And I said that when we come to Abia State here, we have done 50 to 70% of what Onyendo told us to do in Abia State by bringing all the schools, both to autopilot, both to the Greece, both to Liberation Army. We have bring them together. We are having series of meetings in Abia State here. We have done 60 to 70% of that in Abia State, and we will be doing it. And although we'll call you later because we need to extend it to Imo State. We need to extend it to Enugu. I have the contact of the whole commanders in Enugu State. I have the contact of the whole commanders in Ebonyi State. We are communicating. As I'm talking to you now, we are communicating with the Ebonyi State and the Enugu State monitors. We are communicating with them. Do you understand me? Even part of some Imo State, we communicate with them. Imo State, we communicate with them. So in a short time, we will bring all of them together in a place which Oyendo, you heard it from Oyendo. Oyendo said that we will have a meeting, and that meeting, he will pilot it from the Sokoto, and the meeting we will hold, but not in the east. You heard when he said it in that Sokoto. So, and when we bring everybody together, we call the meeting, which Oyendo will pilot that meeting on himself, as he said that he will be on that meeting. So we are on that, and we are working for Oyendo. We are not working for any other person. Every command now that we will take now comes from Oyendo. Do you understand me? Madam Azuka, you know her very well. She's having meeting almost 2 times every day with Oyendo. And she's bringing every information from Oyendo. Every information from Oyendo. That is how it goes. So whatever that Oyendo wants now, he will tell Madam Azuka, and Madam Azuka will bring it to us. That's why we communicate with Oyendo. We work with Oyendo. So we are not against Oyendo. And those that doesn't need to work with us, you can't force them. The only thing that you know that that person is your enemy, and you need to be distant yourself from them. You understand me? So that is what I am saying. Thank you very much, my brother. We are working in one goal. We are doing the same thing, and we want everybody to join us and do it so that we will achieve. Yeah, that is this platform. That is the reason of creating this platform. So that everybody will bring whatever he needs, whatever he wants, or whatever we can do, so that we will achieve our goal. Thank you very much once again. I appreciate all of you that is in this platform. God bless you.
All right. So I believe you have captured that, right? Everything he said here is still in line with what they are trying to make us believe. That Mas Namarikano is having meeting constantly with Madam Azuka. Madam Azuka is now, then as they're saying that too, Kanta Kano don't even know Madam Azuka. Okay? And Madam Azuka is one telling Madam Azuka what to do. At the same time, we also hear it from other people that Madam Azuka said, PM said, all of a sudden this has changed. Just like Shine, who was alleged to be serving, she was serving something like that. Okay? But today, she wants people to believe that, she will try to make people believe that she is doing, like, everything is okay. That you can call for meeting, give order, give instruction, and come on. Anyway, like I told you, time will tell. So I love the fact that DPM will manage to, explain that part so that people are not going to be misled. You see, everything. Once you stop them from this part, they'll move to another part. If you stop them from this one, they'll move to another one. Madam Azuka that we know. I don't want to start talking about what people said about her when she was here and all that. But building Kaba is always that system. And that Kaba seems to be working for them somehow. And at the same time, dealing with some people. Can you imagine that? For how long are we going to pretend this? And these guys don't have shit. They don't ask themselves, what will be my face when this thing I'm doing now, turn out to be something else? They don't ask that themselves about that risk. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here. I just told you we are not gonna waste much time here. I need to rest. But please, if you're in the WhatsApp group where they are sharing this kind of thing, don't take it serious. I'm not saying you should go there and begin to insult anybody. No, but don't take that serious because what they want is to make sure that the Biafran declared is actually paralyzed. That is all these things they're saying. Do you know the level of blackmail? Do you know these guys? My goodness. Okay, yo. Time will tell. Time will tell. Please like the video. Let me know what you think about it. God bless you and take care of yourself. I just want to share this with us, quickly share it because, anyway, thank you. God bless you. Enjoy your day.